Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Vita, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your dialer, basically the contacts. So tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and go to contacts. Then let's scroll down and find the contacts, the contact which you'd like to edit, and tap on it, and tap on this info icon, maybe not info but edit icon, so the pencil. Here we've got the picture and calling card, so let me focus on the picture, so on the photo, but I also highly recommend to set the calling card. So let's tap on the circle here and tap on the plus icon. So here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So for example, device photos, the camera, we can open it immediately and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. The gallery, so we can choose something from our photos. Google Photos, where we've got backed up photos, and Monogram, where we can either use one or two letters. Just tap on it and you can use one or two. You can change the background color and the font. Moreover, you can tap on emoji and tap on the emoji and choose something from the full list of available emojis. So also, this is also a great way to customize someone's contact. Moreover, you can change the background color, of course, and you can set it monochrome. Right now it is basically an emoji, but after tapping on this switcher, your device should make it monochromatic, so the more icon-like. However, as you can see, it will not work with all of the emojis, or maybe it is just biased for some reason, but I highly recommend to check this option. However, I'll pick something from the camera. Let me just take a photo of this logo. Okay, we've got it. So let's tap on the stick icon. Now you can change the position of the photo, you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle in which we can see our photo is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contacts will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.